Give your Nissan Altima a stylish interior upgrade with our lavishly designed, custom-fit seat covers. In this video, we will show you all the steps for a simple install. The front set has 7 pieces and offers 2 headrest covers, 2 backrest covers, 2 bottom seat covers, and a center console cover. The rear set has 5 pieces and includes 2 backrest sections with built-in headrest covers and zipper access to accommodate 60-40 split, 2 side bolster covers, and a solid bench seat cover. Now begin by reclining the front seats and removing the headrests. Then from around the back and under the seat bottom, disconnect the original factory seat flap. More on that later. Now, place the seat bottom covers on the seats. Feed the buckle clips through the crevice to the back side. And tuck the fabric into the crevice. Now use the foam push bar on each side of the seat bottom and insert it into the crevice of the seat base. You may opt to use a metal spoon for extra leverage into the crevice. Then insert the push clip into the crevice and tuck the fabric in to secure. Next, from the front of the seat, you will loosen the straps to extend the length. Then stretch the straps underneath the seat bottom and to the back side. From the back side, pull the buckle clips and some of the fabric out from the crevice. Then, pull the straps out from under the seat and connect the straps to the buckle clips. Adjust, tighten, and secure underneath the seat bottom. Next, stretch the backrest cover over each seat. Make sure to pull firmly down around the seat. Then, feed the hook and loop straps into the crevice to the back side and tuck the fabric in. From the back side, pull the straps through and make sure to remove the fabric from the straps to reveal the hook and loop adhesive side. Now stretch the straps over the original factory seat flap and fasten the straps to the back side with the hook and loop closure. Reconnect the flap under the seat and then attach the cover to the backrest by fastening it with the hook and loop adhesive strips and pressing down to secure. Then tuck the fabric under the headrest base, reinsert the headrests, and slip on the headrest covers. Now release and open the center console. Attach the center console cover by slipping the elastic loop around the inside release latch. Then secure the cover around the center console and tuck in. Next, you will need to open the trunk. Use the release levers on the right and left side to release and then recline each section of the rear backrests. First, you will install the left and right side bolster covers. Make sure to remove the seat belt from the holders. Then place the covers preset cutout around the holder. Now insert the foam push bar into the side crevice of the molding and tuck the fabric in. On the door side of the bolster, use the 2 push clips and insert them into the crevice of the seat and the molding. And then tuck all the fabric in. Next, slip on the backrest covers onto each section of the backrest. Making sure to tug the fabric down over the built-in headrests and down the length of the backrests for a snug fit. Then insert the hook and loop straps into the crevice of the seat bottom, pushing through to the back side. Now recline the seats and use the adhesive side of the cover to fasten it onto the seat and secure it in place. Now pull each hook and loop strap upward from the crevice and fasten them all to the back side, one by one. Then put the backrest sections back to the upright position. Next, feel for the release latch under the front bench bottom, on the left and right sides. As you can see, the clip is released from the plastic inserts by pulling the release ring, and can be pushed back into place when install is complete. Pop up and detach the seat bottom. Then begin stretching the rear bottom cover over the bench seat. Under the cutouts designed for the seat buckles, you will notice elastic loops with metal hooks. Flip the seat over to the underside. The underside of the cover has 8 elastic loops with metal hooks. Stretch the loops and fasten the hooks into the foam underside along the length of the back end of the seat, which will be tucked under the backrest sections. On the front underside of the seat cushion, you will see 3 large loops and a single full-length buckle strap. Stretch the strap through the loops and connect it to the buckle clip on the other side. Adjust, tighten, and secure. Now flip the seat bottom upright and insert it back into position. Line up the cutouts with the contour of the seat and seat controls, and tuck all the fabric into the crevice for a snug, tight fit. And that's it! Now you can ride in style and comfort with your newly installed and stylishly innovative custom fit seat covers.